Hey guys, it's Jody. Today's video is a lookbook featuring these brand new, super affordable synthetic wigs sponsored by Outre. And we are introducing the Daily Wig. This one is for my newbies. So first we have Cecilia in a color 1B. She's a long, blunt cut bob. Cap is stretchy and adjustable, and you can also use the combs for extra security. And all the Daily Wigs are meant to be easy peasy, get up and go. So notice how there's no lace to cut or nothing to glue or gel down. Here's a Cecilia wig with no effort, and later on I'm going to show you different ways to spice it up in 10 seconds or less. And as you can see, I turned the wig to the side and bam, I have a side part. You don't have to create one, especially with the longer units. You can just turn them a little bit and create a totally different look. So if you'd like a more defined part or a wider part while you're getting ready in the mornings, do this. Just take a little bit of your foundation or powder, flip the wig inside out and apply a little bit to the lace parting. So in one step, this makes it look more like scalp. You can put a little bit more on the outside to widen the part as well. And there you have it, Miss Cecilia. Daily wig number 2. We're gonna switch up the color on this one, but this is a simple mid-length bob. This is Malia in color DR4 Rose Gold. This is a bold color, and I like how you can get these super beginner-friendly units in so many different colors. So we have the same breathable mesh cap design with combs and straps, and you have the pre-plucked lace parting. This is a wig straight out the box, but I'm also gonna add some concealer or foundation to the part. And this is a perfect length for every day, from work to happy hour. Malia will also be great in like a black or a brown color. Daily wig number 3. The ones I'm showing today are all straight, so there is a theme here, guys. For this unit, we're going long, honey. This is Kyla in a color DR30. And in the Daily Wig collection, besides the 4 I'm showing today, they do have other shorter units and they have other longer units as well. Alright, here's my other quick tip. If you don't like a straight line of demarcation at the lace, go ahead and cut a teensy-weensy triangle out of the lace, like that, and that way the lace can transition seamlessly into your skin. And Kyla is really long, maybe about like 28 inches if I would guess. Definitely take a hairbrush on the go for maintenance. It's not all one length. It does have light layers in the front. With this one, I think I'd also have to bump the ends every so often, which is cool because the synthetic units are heat resistant. You can apply up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit of heat to this hair.
Keep on holding, I keep on holding on to you. I keep on growing, I keep on growing on from you. I keep on knowing, you keep on.
Now I'm gonna add some concealer to the part of Kyla so you guys can see a close-up. So that's Kyla, guys. What do you think? Let's go blonde. So last but not least, we have Moira, which is a layered mid-length unit in a color DR27. And here she is. Oh my gosh, this is definitely the everyday wig for me right here. In this particular unit, they have about 8 colors you can choose from, not just blonde. And this one's so classy. I feel like this is the one you can wear with jeans and a t-shirt or a pantsuit and still slay. And of course, as you can tell already, this one is my personal fave. Which one is yours? Let me know in the comments below, you guys. Thank you for watching and be sure to subscribe.
I haven't left you.